The 2013 Ford F-150 Mykey system is one of those features that sounds great in theory until you lose the admin key. Suddenly, you're locked out of basic controls, your truck's beeping at you, and max volume is stuck at a level you'd reserve for toddlers. If you found yourself here, it probably means you inherited a used F-150, or maybe your only admin key vanished in the wash. Either way, the Mykey system treats you like a teenager who can't be trusted not to blast Metallica at midnight. Most people don't realize this, but without the admin key, official reset methods via the dash menu are completely blocked. So you're stuck searching forums, hoping for a magic button combo that Ford engineers stashed away for people like us. Pain point here. Ford did not build in a secret back door. That's right. No up, down, left, right, no hidden fuse you pull. If there's only a Mykey in your pocket, you're basically driving your own truck like you're grounded until you fix it. Here's what actually works. You'll need either a brand new key or third-party key programming tools. Dealerships love to quote $250 to $400 for new keys and resets, which if you live in Portland like me, might as well be rent for a studio apartment. Let's talk pro tip. A locksmith with the right programmer can often do this for $80 to $150. Saves you literally hundreds. But not every locksmith has equipment that talks to Ford's PAT system, so call ahead. Don't assume the first one you find can help. If you're into DIY and like a challenge, good news. There are OBD2 tools like FORScan. This software, paired with an OBD2 adapter, lets you access the truck's brain directly. You'll need 2 new unprogrammed keys, and the process is a little bit fiddly. Basically, you connect the adapter to your truck, run FORScan on a laptop, authenticate yourself, bring patience, and follow the prompts to wipe all keys and reprogram brand new ones. Average DIY cost around $60 with both keys. Time saved, sanity points off the charts. Step by step. First, get 2 compatible uncut keys, eBay or Amazon work or a local locksmith. Next, you'll need a laptop, the FORScan software, the free version works, and a compatible OBD2 interface. Expect around $25 to $40 for the adapter. After you connect everything, FORScan will ask you to turn keys on and off in a precise pattern, prompts on screen. This process wipes the Mykey settings from the truck's memory and lets you create fresh admin keys, no dealership required. Big warning, if you only have one key, you can't add another via DIY. For that, you do need help. Resetting everything erases all recognized keys. You'll be left with nothing if you mess up, so have those backups in hand before you hit reset. The impact here is significant. Going this route, instead of the dealer, means you save hundreds and skip the lecture about responsible driving settings. Just a couple hours of effort, and you're back in charge of your F-150's destiny, radio volume and all. And the myth, there's no way to reset Mykey without 2 new keys or reprogramming tools. There's no code, magic fuse, or hidden override. You can either pay the dealer, pay a locksmith, or dive deep and DIY if you really want to save the cash.